And Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni is upbeat about India's tour to New Zealand. Before leaving, Dhoni said that his performance will be crucial in New Zealand.
Before we went for the last tour, we got enough time in India. Quite a few of them played quite a few test matches in India. They have done well, so they are confident about their ability. And at the same time, what I feel is very important is, once we are touring abroad, it's very important as an individual not to think too much about the technique. At the same time, play expressive cricket. If there's a shot that you play which is your strength, and if it's there, you should still go for it. So it's all about backing yourself and backing each other at the same time. And I think that was one area where we did really well in the last foreign series that we played in South Africa, especially in the test matches. Quite a few people were speculative about how the batsmen will do, how the bowlers will perform, but at least now we know we have got a set of players who can do well irrespective of where we are playing, and at the same time try to do well outside. And that, yes, we have a slightly bigger challenge in the sense, when we play in India, more than the pace, I think it's the bounce. When you bowl back off a length, if fast bowlers bowl back off a length in India, more often than not, it's very difficult to leave on the bounce. But when you go outside, you have that liberty of not only leaving at the line, but also, if you judge the bounce, if the wicket has good bounce, you can leave it on the bounce. And I think the batsmen did really well in South Africa when we played. They handled good fast bowling, and at the same time they were positive. So there are quite a few things that happened in South Africa that gives us the confidence of saying, we have the talent to do well, anywhere in the world. Your 8, 9, 10 and 11 really has to contribute, because if they don't spend enough time in the middle, means you also end up wasting one batsman. It may be a number 7 or number 6 batsman. So that's one area where we have to do slightly better. Even if they are not scoring runs, if they can hang around a bit of time, the batsman at the other end, he can still score. What Ajinkya did in the last innings, something like that. And as far as my performance is concerned, yes, I would definitely like to improve my performance, especially when we are touring abroad. But also the same factor is there. If I'm batting at 7 and if I lose the batsman at the other end, and if I'm batting with the tail, and if they don't spend enough time, I'll more often than not go for my shots. Well, as of now, I think both our squads look quite settled. Even the ODI and the Test squad, if you see the batting order and the bowlers also, it looks quite a good settled side, which is a good thing. Of course, it's very important to back individuals. But what we have seen is, almost all of them, they have played the ODIs outside India and still they have performed very well, which gives you the confidence of saying, they have the ability to do well outside the subcontinent when it comes to dealing with pace and bounce. If you have the talent to perform in one format, definitely you have the talent to perform in, whatever format it may be. Not really. I think, there's more competition when it comes to the bowling department. The reason being, all of a sudden, we thought maybe 1 year back, some of our leading fast bowlers, they had injuries. To some extent, that time we were like, we didn't have so many options. But now with all of them becoming fit and being available for selection and doing well in the domestic circuit, I think they have enough competition amongst themselves. When you travel outside, I think one of the things that the home team would love to do is, make sure the wicket doesn't turn at all. The reason being, we don't really have an all-rounder, so, we don't play with 5 specialist bowlers. And also over the years, we have lost part-timers, who were as good as specialist bowlers, if you use them in short spell. I think in that respect, Jaddu's performance was good. And also, the spinners will have to accept that when they travel abroad, especially when they're bowling on the first day wicket, they'll have a slightly different role. They will get late turn maybe from the 3rd day onwards or 4th day onwards.